We often hear the phrase, eat your rainbow, and I'm a big advocate on that. What does it actually mean and why is it important? It is a simple way of reminding us to consume a variety of fruits and vegetables to get the vitamins and minerals your body needs. The standard Western diet tends to fall into the beige color. Just think of a typical day. Porridge, cereal, granola, sausages, pretzel, sandwich, pasta, chicken, yeah, you know what I mean. Eating your rainbow means adding red, green, yellow or orange, purple or blue, and white or brown fruits and vegetables into your diet every single day. Each color carries its own sets of unique healing properties, which is called phytochemicals. It is these phytochemicals that give these fruits and vegetables its vibrant color and healing properties. We all know that we should be consuming our 5 a day, at least 3 cups of vegetables and 2 cups of fruits. Unfortunately, most of us only consume 1.8 cups a day. Eating a rainbow is simple, and it is actually the first step you should take to get healthy. Let's take a look at each color. Red. Think of tomatoes, strawberries, watermelon, apples, red peppers, goji berries, cherries, rice, azuki beans, red quinoa, and more. Red fruits and vegetables are colored by a natural plant pigment called lycopene. Lycopene is a powerful antioxidant that can help to keep your heart healthy and reduce the risk of cancer, especially prostate cancer. In a study of 50,000 men, it was found that men with the highest level of lycopene were 21% less likely to develop prostate cancer in comparison to those with low levels. It can also prevent damage from pesticides on our body. Not all of us can afford organic produce free of pesticide on a regular basis. Therefore, it is very important to consume red vegetables and fruits. Let's take a look at the next color, yellow and orange. I'm sure you have heard of eating your carrots being good for your eyesight, but why is that so? Yellow and orange fruits and vegetables are high in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in our body. Vitamin A is important for maintaining eye health, boosts immunity, and for cell growth. 2 other carotenoids are also present in yellow-orange fruits, lutein and zeaxanthin. This helps prevent age-related eye degeneration, which can lead to blindness. Just think of squashes, carrots, pumpkins, oranges, lemons, sweet potatoes, peppers, yellow zucchinis, mangoes, papayas, cantaloupe, and more. Another really simple tip is to add a squeeze of lemon juice to your food to increase iron absorption. Plus, it will add flavor to your meal. Green vegetables are the most common color we consume. They are extremely low in calories, hence they can help you to lose weight and to maintain a healthy body weight. Plus, they are extremely high in fiber, which means you will feel fuller for longer. Green vegetables have an abundance of vitamin A, C, and K. Vitamin K is important to protect your bones from osteoporosis. Leafy greens like spinach and broccoli are also rich in folate, which is a B vitamin especially important for pregnant women to prevent birth defects. So besides consuming spinach and broccoli, other greens include bok choy, kale, lettuce, green grapes and apples, asparagus, avocado, kiwi fruit, peas, celery, and more. Let's move on to the next color, blue and purple. Unfortunately, this food group only makes up about 3% of the average Western diet, which tells us we need to start increasing our intake in these fruits and vegetables. Start to consume more beetroot, purple sweet potato, red cabbage, eggplant, blackberries, blueberries, plums, prunes, and purple grapes. The plant pigment anthocyanin is what gives blue or purple fruits and vegetables their distinct, unique color. There is also some anthocyanin in red fruits and vegetables, although it is not as present in comparison to blue or purple fruits and vegetables. Anthocyanin has antioxidant property that protects cells from damage and can help reduce the risk of cancer, stroke, and heart disease. Anthocyanin also promotes longevity. Hear this. Wine is high in anthocyanin, resveratrol, and other flavonoids. Hence, consuming wine in small amounts can be good for your health. Flavonoids are also found in purple sweet potato, and it is one of the reasons why the Japanese in Okinawa are known for living a long and healthy life. And the final group is white and brown. White or brown vegetables are perhaps the most neglected group of vegetables. Although not technically a color of the rainbow, white vegetables are rich in anthocyanins, a type of flavonoid. Anthocyanins have been found to reduce blood pressure. In a 10-year study, researchers found that those who consumed white fruits and vegetables regularly were 50% less likely to get a stroke. Another important element white and brown fruits have is sulfur. Sulfur is important for keratin, which gives nails, hair, and skin their color. A lack of sulfur will lead to dull and saggy skin. Some white vegetables, such as garlic, contain allicin, which has antimicrobial and antiviral properties. Others, such as bananas and potatoes, are a good source of potassium. So start adding cauliflower, mushroom, garlic, onions, ginger, bananas, parsnip, turnips, chickpeas, and radish into your diet. The next time you shop and cook, think of the rainbow chart. Aim to pack as many colors as you can into your meals. To start off, consume at least 2 to 3 different colors of vegetables and fruits in each meal and slowly increase that. Make your plate colorful, and trust me, you will see the difference on your waistline, your health, your body, and also your skin. Another tip is to create your own rainbow smoothie by packing in all the colors. For example, a blend of strawberries, mangoes, spinach, beetroot, and banana. So guys, eat your rainbow every single day, okay? Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, like this video, share this video on with all your friends, and hit the subscribe button for a lot more fitness tips, nutritional advice, workout videos, and colorful rainbow recipes. All the best!